Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear your Instagram search history. So the search history will be found in here when you click on the search icon, and then in the search column you'll find the list of search activity on your Instagram. And then if you want to delete that, you can do this. You can just click on the cross icon to delete the search, but you need to do this one by one, and it might take a while. So what you need to do to clear all that is you can just click on your profile icon and then click on the three lines icon at the top and click on your activity, and then here scroll down until you find the recent searches option. Just click on that. Okay, so this is the search history on my account. So you'll find the clear all options in here, and to delete that you can just click on clear all. And here on the search history you won't be able to undo this if you clear all, and you may still see account you search for as suggested results, but if you click on the search history it will not be shown. So I'm going to just click all, clear all, and then go back to the search options, and let's see. Okay, so as you can see now the search history is now gone. It's just blank like this. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can clear your search history in Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.